Art and design can help spaces come alive and convey more than just a message. From a visual depiction of an organization's goals to filling minds with positivity and hope, art can be used to transform a space and send a core message home in more ways than one. Earthen Symphony is a decade-old award-winning art and design studio disrupting both the traditional art world model and the accepted notions of branding. I am Madhu Chandrika, artist and founder, and along with my team of designers, engineers, and well-trained artisans, we work on cutting-edge designs in our well-equipped, expansive studios, handcrafting with precision beautiful works which help our clients tell their stories and create the ambience of their space.
Earthen Symphony has a mission to bring that extraordinary sliver of art into your workspace. While we have grown our operations as a premier aerospace company in India, Earthen Symphony has contributed to an atmosphere of creativity across our campus. Right from the time you enter our campus, be it the reception or across our engineering center, you will see aerospace murals depicted in a very artistic manner.
We start by helping our clients tell their stories through evocative art. We carry this thread and take it forward to create the ambience of the space.
Hospitals are like hotels today, and we want the experience to be seamless. I feel that with the choice of hospitals that are available, look and feel of a hospital has to go hand in hand with the services that the hospital has to offer. And with that in tow, we actually tied up with Earthen Symphony because we wanted to get the warmth, the vibrancy, the feeling of welcomeness into a hospital and make it feel like it wasn't a hospital, have that distraction that could be caused for people of any age.
From here, we help create an identity to the space.
I've been with Mohali campus of ISB for last 7 years, and we take so much pride in showing off this mural to everyone who visits the campus. I can bet on this that no one who has visited this campus has not clicked themselves in front of this mural. It's iconic, it's beautiful, it's so vibrant. It adds life to the local, monopolist colors otherwise.
When you experience a beautiful story and your emotions are triggered, it gets stored in your subconscious mind, creating a memory hook about the space. We call this communications through art. a unique branding like no other for our clients. We have helped tell stories of hospitals to hospitality, of nursery schools to universities, of aerospace and defense establishments to apartment lobbies and HNI homes. To make your space speak your language, call us now. Let us tell your story.